guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'll show a simple way how you can easily change subtitles on Netflix. So let's say that you're gonna have played for Netflix some your TV show. What you need to do is pretty simple and pretty straightforward. Go on the bottom with here, you're gonna have on the bottom the arrow and click on this, and then you're gonna have the other. So click on the other and you're gonna have all the subtitles here. And that's pretty much it, how we can do it. Nothing that difficult, nothing hard, and that's pretty much it. So thank you very much guys for watching. If you can have any questions, ask me down in the comments. I'm really happy to help and provide you some guidance and support. So again, I'm going to exit. Let's say I'm going to choose a Dracula here. And then I go to bottom and you can have the other here. And you can simply change the subtitles. Have a great day and goodbye. See ya.